Hi guys, my name is Prince and I'm one of the team members of SU Heroes, and we are here to present our solution RootOps. We're a team of 5 students and we are here to change the software development lifecycle to make AI and observability an embedded foundation and not just an add-on. Every single day, our engineering teams are drowning. They're drowning in a sea of telemetry. For example, this week I am the support engineer at my company, and every single time an alert or alarm comes into Slack, I spend at least an hour and 30 minutes trying to find the root cause. I go from our Datadog dashboard to our AWS console to our logs, IO logs. I check and check and check before I can find the root cause. So much time spent, so much reactive debugging after the customer has already experienced failure. And sometimes these changes are things that have happened in the past and we have no memory of this incident. What if we could change this? What if our tools can tell us that a commit is going to break production even before we merge it? What if our systems can predict that the performance is degrading hours before an alert actually comes? And even go ahead to suggest a fix and implement it by self-healing. I present to you RootOps. Our solution has an intelligent machine learning core that's powered by one of the best AI tools. It helps for predictive detection before failure and has a unified observability dashboard in Grafana. This is our architecture. Once you make a commit, every single commit from the first commit to the last log in production goes through our intelligent engine powered by AI and ML. And this engine understands your logs, every single, it ingests everything end to end. It analyzes the commit difference, CI and test outputs, runtime logs, traces, metrics, every single thing, and keeps an history of the breaking changes or things that have happened. It learns from itself, supported by external knowledge, company policies, and various other governance rules. And then from this engine, it sends data, metrics to Memel, logs to Loki, and traces to Tempo, which populates our Grafana unified observability dashboard with every single log and metric that you want to display. Now, this is not just all. It's able to detect breaking changes in its own dashboard. It's able to show anomaly detection. It's able to show you performance predictors. It's able to show you the likeliness of production going down. The best part is, if there is any breaking change, if there's anything going down in production, it optimizes for self-healing, showing you exactly what it's going to do to get the fix done. Now, enough of the diagram. I'm going to show you how it really works. This is our dashboard. We have the commit analysis. It shows you when you make a commit, it shows you this commit is safe for you to go ahead and merge into production. The code quality is good and it covers 78% of the test, which is very good. It also analyzes the logs that come out from your application every single day. It shows you the number of error logs that are coming, the ones that are warnings, anomalies, the average error rate, and everything you need to see at the first glance. It also shows you your performance and traces so that you can be sure where exactly to go and where exactly to search for things that are affecting your software. Best part, every self-healing action that happens, it logs it. It shows the ones that are in progress, the ones that are successful, and the success rate. Now, we have put all the logs and all the outputs from the AI and ML core is now that are being stored in our that are being ingested into Meme, Loki, and Tempo. Is displayed on a unified dashboard. This unified dashboard shows you the total predictions that our ML core is making, the breaking changes it has detected, the self-healing actions it has taken, and every single API response time that has happened from your software. It also shows you self-healing actions. It shows you its prediction rate, distributed tracing from Tempo, the trace results. You can make important decisions from here without searching through different platforms. It also shows you logs analysis. Okay, there's a payment service error. It shows you the name, gives you all the details you need to do, the time, the date. These are very important metrics that can help us make better decisions as engineers. It also shows you the level of debug error. So and it's populated at every 30 seconds, so you can see the error rate, the level for errors, level for warning logs, and all of that. And it goes ahead to show you predictive result. It shows you self-healing status, shows you database query performance, all in one. Now, the best part is that it can also show you when things are going bad. So I will do a small demo to show you when the dashboard is seeing a bad error. Now it's just going to refresh, and I just did it. I ran a test of when you have pushed a bad commit, or there's error rates are high, or when the performance is not optimal. So it keeps showing you review required before committing. There's a potential breaking change in database migration and auth logic. So you can know where exactly to check. You can see the amount of errors going out and all of that. And what we want to improve is to be able to go deep down into causes of error, more suggestive predictions, and all of that. That is why we have more improvements to make in these applications. And we are going to work with more of machine learning and more AI powered tools. Thank you. We hope that this project goes ahead to make change in the software development lifecycles and make engineers happy to do their job with less burnout.